Sometimes you may have bought a new Android phone, and sometimes before, you'll be using an Android phone. So sometimes you may want to transfer all data from your old Android phone to a new Android phone. In this video, we'll be showing you how to transfer all data from your old Android phone to a new Android phone, including your Google account, photos, videos, and apps, etc. Anyway, the important thing is that you need to do it while setting up your phone. But sometimes you may have already set up your phone. In that case, what you can do is reset your phone. For that, go to Settings. And after going to Settings, here you can see the search option. Either search for Reset or you can search for Factory Reset. When you search for that, here you can see the Reset Phone option or Factory Reset option. You'll be able to see it. Just click on that. And here you can see Erase All Data. Sometimes it will be Factory Reset, and always click on that. When you click on that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Enter your password. After entering that password, here you can see the Clear option. Click on Clear. When you click on that, here you can see Permanently Clear All Data. Click on Clear. When you click on that, all data will be erased. Now my phone is reset. After that, here you can see a new page like this. Click on the Next button. When you click on that, you need to select your language. Select your language and click on the Next button. After that, you need to select your region. Then click on this Next button. Here you can see a page like this. Click on the Next button. When you click on that, you can see a page like this. Here, you can set up using another device. The important thing is that you need to keep your old Android phone near this phone. Only when you keep it nearby can you see a pop-up message like this on your old Android phone. You need to click on Set Up here. And when you click on that, here you can see Connecting. These two phones will be connected through Wi-Fi. After that, you need to scan this. For example, I am scanning this QR code. After that, you need to enter your PIN code here. After entering this phone code, you need to click on this Next button. When you click on that, both devices will be connected using Wi-Fi.
Now my Google account is transferred to this new phone. And after that, here you can see the Next button. Click on this Next button. When you click on that, here you can see Getting Ready to Copy. It will take a few minutes, so wait for a few minutes. Another thing is that there's one more method to copy data. We're doing it through Wi-Fi. If you're not able to connect to Wi-Fi, you can use a charging cable also. Anyway, through both methods you can do it. As of now, I'm disconnecting my Wi-Fi on my old phone. So when I disconnect my Wi-Fi, here you can see Trying to Reconnect.
So if you're not able to connect to Wi-Fi, don't worry, you can do it using a cable. If you're not able to connect to Wi-Fi, what you can do is click on Copy Another Way. When you click on that, you'll be asked to connect your charging cable. The important thing is that you need to connect a Type-C to Type-C cable. So you should have this type of cable. Anyway, if you're not having this cable, ask your friends who have an iPhone. They'll be having this type of cable with them if they're using an Apple iPhone 15 or newer models. Anyway, I am connecting both phones. When connecting the data cable, they're asking me to confirm my identity. Click on Next. After that, you need to confirm your identity with a fingerprint sensor or PIN code. Anyway, here you can see the Copy option. Click on Copy. When you click on that, you can see the page I showed before. Wait for a few minutes until the next page comes. Now, here you can see a page like this. Here, they're asking what you want to copy. If you want to copy all apps from your old phone to your new phone, you can select All Apps. In the case of apps, you can select only certain apps. For that, click on Apps and you can select whichever apps you want. For example, as of now, I am selecting only 2 applications. You can select all applications from this. When you scroll down, you can see some apps that come as default applications on this phone. Just click on this OK button. Here, you can see so many options. If you want to copy all SMS, MMS, call history, and contacts, you can tick those things. It's better to tick them. Then on your new phone, you can see all your call history, all your contacts, and all your SMS messages. So you don't need to go to your old phone for that. Here, you can see the Photos and Videos option. If you want all photos and videos on your new phone, you can tick this. The Music and Other Audio option is also there. You can tick that as well. Anyway, as of now, for example, I am unticking Photos and Videos and Music and Other Audio. In my opinion, if you want all photos and videos, you need to tick that. Only for demo purposes, I am unticking this. Anyway, after that, here you can see the Copy button. Click on this Copy button. When you click on that, copying will start. Now, the first thing is that you need to set your fingerprint sensor, then your password, then Face ID. In my case, this password is already set. You may be asking which password that is. The password on the old phone is the password on this new phone also. So in some cases, you don't need to set that password. It will be the same as the one on the old phone. If it is not set, click on Password and you can set it. You can set the fingerprint sensor also, and Face ID as well. It's better to set them because we are setting up our phone. Anyway, click on this Next button. When you click on that, here you can see Google Services. Anyway, down here you can see the Accept option when you scroll down.
Click on Accept. Anyway, here you can see which data you want to back up. For example, I am turning this one only. If you want photo and video backup, you can turn that on also. Anyway, click on Turn on Backup, or you can click on Turn off Backup as well. Anyway, they are asking for a search engine. Click on Next, and I am selecting Google. After that, click on this Next button. Now, for example, here I am clicking No Thanks. Here you can see it's still copying. Now it's almost over. One thing is that within 1 minute, in my case, the copying is over.
Because I didn't back up photos and videos. If you back up photos and videos, sometimes it will take longer, so wait for that time. Anyway, here you can see the Done button. Click on this Done button, and on your old phone, click on the Close button. When you click on that, everything will be completed. After that, you need to continue setting up this phone. Anyway, on this phone, I'm clicking on the Skip button. Here you can see recommended services. You can select whichever recommended services you want. In my case, I am turning off the Auto Update Overnight option. Then I am turning off the App Market option also. Then I am turning off the Lock Screen Magazine option as well.
You can turn on or turn off whichever services you want. After that, here you can see the Agree button. Click on this. When you click on that, they will ask which navigation you want. I am selecting Buttons, and here I am choosing this type of button. Then click on this Done button. When you click on that, everything is set. Now click on this Next button. Here you can see everything is set. Even the background photo is copied to this new phone. Even that has not changed. I have also asked to install some applications, and those applications will be installed automatically after this. Anyway, here you can see it is connected to Wi-Fi. I didn't enter the password for this Wi-Fi. That password was copied from this phone. So even that password data will be transferred to this phone. If you go to Call History, you can see my call history here. If you go to SMS also, you can see every SMS on my phone. So all data is copied. This way you can easily transfer all data from your old Android phone to your new Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.